The code OE on LG washing machine is a common error that typically appears when there is a problem with the drainage system. When this error occurs, it usually means that the washing machine cannot properly drain water from the drum. There are several reasons why this might happen, and you can take some simple steps to try and fix the issue yourself before calling for professional help. The first thing to check when you see the code OE on LG washing machine is the drain hose. If the hose is kinked, blocked, or clogged, the water won't be able to flow out properly, leading to the error. To fix this, unplug the machine, then inspect the hose for any bends or obstructions. If you find any, straighten the hose or clean it out by running warm water through it to clear the blockage. Once the hose is free of debris, reconnect it and run a test cycle to see if the error is resolved. Another common cause of the code OE on LG washing machine is a clogged pump filter. The pump filter can accumulate lint, dirt, or even small objects like coins or buttons, which can block the drainage process. To clean the pump filter, unplug the machine and then locate the filter at the bottom front of the washer. Open the access panel, remove any excess water with a small container, and then unscrew the filter. Clean it thoroughly under running water, reattach it, and check if the issue has been resolved by running a short cycle. If neither the hose nor the pump filter seems to be the problem, you may be dealing with a malfunctioning drain pump. The drain pump is responsible for pushing water out of the washing machine, and if it's faulty, it may not be able to complete this task. To check the pump, you can listen for any unusual sounds during the washing cycle. If there is no noise or the pump is not functioning properly, it may need to be replaced. In this case, it is best to contact a technician for assistance. In some instances, the code OE on LG washing machine may be caused by a malfunction in the washer's pressure switch, which detects water levels inside the drum. If this component is faulty, the washer might not recognize that the water has been drained properly, even though everything else is functioning correctly. A quick reset can sometimes solve this issue. Simply unplug the washing machine, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Run a test cycle to check if the error code has cleared. By addressing issues such as a clogged hose, pump filter, or malfunctioning drain pump, you can usually resolve the code OE on LG washing machine. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the pump filter monthly and ensuring the hose is free from blockages, can help prevent this error from recurring in the future. If the issue persists, it may be time to call a professional to inspect your machine for more serious problems.